Tyson Clark to mat number 2, please. Tyson Clark to mat number 2.
That arm down. You're tight, you're tight. Pop it. Pop that arm off. Get out of that.
That's it. Let's wrap it down.
That was better. This is a good position. Wasn't reaching. Pick it up. Up.
No leverage.
Head up. Bridge it through. Get that arm through. Get the arm through. Get that arm through. Let go of the head. Let go of the head. Get it through. Bridge.
Belly down. Don't give up.
Bridge it up.
Bridge!
Get through.